Hi, so I'm going to do a quick demo of the little Jim distortion pedal. This is designed to be kind of like a Marshall cranked, fairly aggressive, fairly bright distortion. It uses 3 BS 170 MOSFETs cascaded in series to get the gain, so it's quite a lot of gain, and a fairly simple sort of tone control that just rolls the mid and the treble off. So it has quite a lot of there's quite a lot of gain. It's quite aggressive. It's quite bright sounding. It's kind of like a cranked Marshall. It retains a lot of bass when you turn the tone down. So unlike a lot of overdrives which suck all the bass out, it keeps a lot of the low end in. It's not subtle. It's not designed for the kind of low end smooth overdrive that you get from maybe a Tube Screamer or similar circuits. It's really a kind of full on high gain pedal. Anyway, I'll give you a quick demo of what it sounds like with humbuckers and with a Strat, and you can hear it for yourself. This is my clean sound. Playing an RG into my Marshall into a 4x12. One of the problems with MOSFET overdrives compared to JFET or op-amp based circuits is they are a little bit noisy. So the hiss level is a little higher than you would find on similar pedals. But anyway, here's the sound. And with the neck pickup. Here's what it sounds like with a Strat. This is a Fender Stratocaster Deluxe, and I've put Demartio area noiseless pickups in it, but it's still basically a single coil sound. Anyway, yeah, here's what it sounds like. Neck pickup on a Strat. Here's what it sounds like on the bridge pickup of the Strat. Back to the neck.